Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the peripheral supports the unifying protocol. That orange star icon is the quick check. Once done, plug the receiver into a known good USB port and make sure Bluetooth on the host is off to avoid interference. You should install Logitech Unifying software, or Logibolt, now so the pairing utility is ready. This step ensures the host has the correct drivers and discovery tool before you move to the next stage. You'll now run the Unifying app and select the pair option. This actively scans for devices. Next, put the peripheral into pairing mode by toggling power or pressing its pairing button, because the receiver only recognizes devices during that window. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts and wait for the app's confirmation tone or message. Once paired, test typing or cursor movement to validate communication, so you know pairing completed correctly. You finish by securing the receiver in place and testing normal use. Make sure the device persists after reboots. If you see intermittent drops, check battery levels and reduce distance or obstructions between receiver and peripheral, because radio interference is common. If problems continue, reboot the host and rerun the Unifying app. As a last resort, try another Unifying receiver or Logibolt adapter to isolate whether the receiver or peripheral is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.